In asset management, engineering rigor should never be limited by organizational size or deployment model. For years, SAP-centric enterprises have relied on Ascent as a trusted foundation. Today, we're building on that success, expanding our reach, enabling new markets, and delivering the flexibility organizations need to scale confidently while maintaining the highest standards of quality and operational excellence. Introducing Ascent Edge, a workspace-based engineering intelligence ecosystem designed for rapid deployment, true intelligence backed by evidence. We connect your asset data directly to action. This is engineering AI, traceable reasoning and human validation built to strengthen every single integrity decision. The future of asset integrity is here. Discover Ascent Edge. Same rigor, maximum flexibility.